One of the most important yet annoying character in electricity resistance. Think about this. Why does your phone get hot when you play games for too long? Why does a thin wire melt if too much current passes through it? The answer to all those why is resistance. Today we are not just going to look at derivations. We are going to solve the kind of problems that shows up in your exam and make you go moe moe if you are not prepared. So when we are talking about resistance, the person's names come into our mind is Oham. So do you know anything about the story of Oham? Now I'm talking about the story of Oham. See, Oham is not a Indian person, and do you know the full name of Oham? It is Georg Simon Oham. Georg Simon Ohm, German physicist and mathematician who lived for almost 65 years, from 1789 to 1854. On the 18th, at the time he did his research, the battery had just been invented by Alessandro Volta. So Ohm was a school teacher, high school teacher. So when he discovered the law of Ohm, that now bears his name. So do you know that how Ohm discovered the law of Ohms? Ohm discovered that for most materials, especially metals, the current flowing through them is directly proportional to the voltage applied across them. provided the temperature stays the same. V proportional to I means V equals to IR. So he was rejected at first. So when Ohm first published his work in 1827 at the age of 38, at the age of 38, the specific community in Germany hated it. They don't like it. The Ministry of Education said that a physicist who preached such heresy was unworthy to teach science. He actually had to resign from his teaching job and lived in poverty for several years before the world realized he was right. So there is two things you need to know about. It is what ohmic and non-ohmic conductors. So ohmic conductors is what materials that follow V equals to IR strictly. The metals are copper, silver, or a standard resistor. Their VI graph is a straight line passing through a origin. If I talk about non-ohmic conductors, then the material would be what that don't follow the law, like LED bulb, transistor, or vacuum tubes. Their VI graph is curved.
হ্যাঁ বুড়া এসটা গেলে আর ল্যাপটপটা খুলে রেখেছে কে এরকম করে কি রে
হুম,
ল্যাপটপ খুলে রেখেছো এরকম
ওটা দাদা খুলে রেখেছে।
টুলবি রেখে দিন
কমপ্লিট।